In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a Pine script to TradingView. To get started, have a chart open in TradingView so you can see the main interface. On the right side panel, look for the Pine or Pine Editor icon, which opens the coding area for custom scripts. Click it to reveal the editor at the bottom of your screen. If your workspace looks crowded, you can drag the panel's edge to give yourself more room to work, but the key is simply to open the Pine editor so you can create a new script. Inside the editor's header, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down to access options related to new scripts and templates. When the menu appears, hover over Create New. This hover action exposes the different types of scripts you can start with, so don't worry if nothing changes until you move your cursor over it. You'll see two choices: Indicator and Strategy. An indicator displays values or visuals on your chart without placing trades. Think moving averages, oscillators, and custom visual overlays. A strategy, on the other hand, includes trading logic that can be backtested, showing hypothetical entries, exits, and performance metrics. Choose the option that matches the code you intend to use. For this tutorial, we'll proceed with an indicator, so go ahead and click on Indicator to open a fresh template in the editor. TradingView will generate a default example script to help you get started. Before inserting your own code, make sure to remove what's currently in the editor. An easy way is to select all the text and delete it, giving yourself a clean slate. With the editor empty, paste your Pine script directly into this area. If your script includes a // version line at the top, make sure it matches the version your code was written for. If you see errors after pasting, it's often because the version line doesn't align with the functions your script uses. Keeping your code tidy and well commented will also make future edits much easier. That's it for inserting your script. Open the Pine editor from the right side panel. Use the drop-down to create new, choose between indicator and strategy based on your needs. Click Indicator for this example. Then remove the template and paste your own code. Taking a moment to double-check the version line and any dependencies in your code will save you time later. Once your script is in place, you're ready to continue working with it in the editor and move on with your analysis. Thanks for watching, and I hope this clear walkthrough helps you get your Pine script into TradingView with confidence.